Now, before we continue, let's take a quick look at this unique prop firm. We all know that trading with minimal capital can be a pain, especially when you want to take advantage of commodities or indices with those massive movements. So that's why we've partnered with Forex Prop Firm. So they funded up to $2 million with a profit split of up to 90%. That really caught our attention. So all you need to do is complete a challenge and verification stage and get started. Now the beauty with these guys is the objectives are actually achievable. So with 4 different capital options to choose from, there is also room for growth. So get on board, check out their dashboard and trading tools offered, and quickly accelerate your trading career. Now, another thing that caught our eye is an instant funding model that is available. So you basically skip 2 sections, then immediately get funded. This means you start making some gains from the get-go. So check them out on the link on the description below and read up on them. Good day, traders. Hoping that everybody's doing well today. Let's hop onto the charts and see what we've got for the day. Okay, so we dropped our poll earlier, and it seems like you guys want to see GJ, gold, US 100 and US 30, the usual pairs. Okay, so starting with gold, because we have it open already, we do have a zone here that we actually want to be wary of. We want to keep watching it and see what happens after zone. And moving forward, what we'll basically be doing now is just analyze this T-off area here, refine it a bit so we can get a nice entry point. And take it from there. Now, as I've mentioned to you guys last week, this seems like a decent one. You always want to have tight stops, and this usually just protects you from your trades having to do a lot of work just for you to make a couple of points. Still over 100, which I usually do not like using. So once I get to this 5-minute zone and I still feel like the stop loss is a bit too big, I simply just sorry about that, I simply just go 50% of the fib and trade from there. So in this case, my 50% would be at the 1828 level. So I'm expecting a sell off from this area going all the way down into that zone, and it'll be something like this. And this is from the daily, by the way. Just take note of that. And then from here on, moving forward, we'll just hop on now to the hourly and the 4-hour and just see what structure is showing us, and if we can't really get a nice T-off area to the downside, which we can based off this level over here. So we'll have something like that, and these candles are quite massive, so probably use this level over here and have 2 setups. So you'd have this based on the daily, just put it a bit closer, this based on the daily, and then we would have this one here based off the shorter time frame. So you might find that one or both do trigger, and that would definitely work for us. And if you are using the Wushu toolbox, then you are pretty well on your way, because it will manage the trade and the setups for you, and you will definitely become unstoppable. There we go. So that's our gold setup for the day. And then moving forward, taking a look at GJ. Sorry about that. Taking a good look at GJ. For those that got this one, brilliant setup, guys. It was a brilliant setup. And moving forward, I think we're just gonna have to keep holding onto this one over here and let it basically either take out the 157.815 zone or potentially even come back from that zone again, forming a bit of a range, which we'll definitely take advantage of. But meanwhile, we just have to watch it and see how far it plays out from this current setup and take it from there. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, and also check out our bootcamp, our Wushu toolbox, and our signals. Okay, and then the next pair we're looking at is US 100 and US 30. Starting with US 30. Yep, US 30 is going to give us something very nice here, guys. This is still valid. Yeah, it's still very valid. Let's watch and see how far it goes. And if it does trigger that beautiful setup, we are potentially going to see a nice 8-hour setup, if not more. I know with US 100, usually when we get those setups, I mean, they fly brilliantly. I see now with US 100, I don't know what happened with this trade, but I know we missed it, or rather we got stopped out. Those that did actually catch this move to the top side, you guys probably got this 1 arm break even, and when it came back down, got kicked out. The week got triggered earlier, and then our price just swung back down, leaving us in the dust. And then moving forward, yeah, I'm also gonna have to wait for this one to hit the 15715 level, and then we take it, we either take a sell from that zone or wait for it to drop even further to the 377, targeting the 14400 zone, and trade it from there. But meanwhile, I don't think I'll take any trade in this zone for now. And it's a Monday, guys. Let's take it easy and see what we can target. And that's about it for the day, guys. There's not really much happening, and that's a bummer, but it does happen. So let's see how we can handle the rest of the day. Happy trading, guys.